This is Mexican mint, also called as Cuban Oregano or Ajuin leaves or Indian borage leaves. Now, okay, when do we use this? Now, this is used to help through seasonal allergies, giving allergy relief for that nagging cold and cough. This knowledge is passed down through families, through generations, through hundreds of years. So it's not a unique herbal tree, okay, because each family does its own thing. So this is how I make this Mexican mint tea when I have a slight runny nose but an itchy throat. So this Indian borage leaf tea just needs 2 ingredients. Let's get started to make this Cuban Oregano tea. Now I would call this tea using multiple names because these days I don't know whom I will offend. Anyway, let's get started on making a simple tea for cold and cough. Now, I took this video while I was in the state of Kerala, which is in India. It was monsoon time, so which kickstarted the allergies for me, and therefore the reason to make this panikur kachaya or karpuravalli tea, and also enjoy the brief ASMR sounds. We need a handful of leaves. Now there is about 350 ml of water which is boiling away. Now, the first ingredient in this Cuban Oregano tea is ginger. Now we know ginger is anti-inflammatory, potent antiviral and immune booster. Now this is going to help you to ease congestion and headaches. Next I'm going to fetch some tulsi leaves. It's also called as holy basil, just like ginger. Holy basil or Indian basil, helps to reduce chest congestion and a cold or cough. Now we let this boil for about a couple of minutes. Filter the drink just before serving it hot. Now it's a personal choice, to whether to sweeten this Mexican mint tea. Now suggestions would be to use jaggery or palm sugar or coconut sugar. Now, I would not recommend adding any sweetness to obtain the benefits of this Mexican mint tea. Now, locally in my language, this tea is called karpuravalli tea or omavalli ilai tea or panikur kachaya. Mexican mint plant grows really well in a hot climate, so it's perfect to look out for this amazing herb while you're out on your gardening purchases for this year. Now, if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you're wondering if there are any other herbal teas to help with bloating issues or indigestion, then I got you covered. Here is that video, and I shall see you in another video. Take care.